Hello, I'm Dani Renouf, Registered Dietitian at St. Paul's Hospital, and welcome to Healthier You on Plugged In. Today I'm really excited to be showing you our unsung heroes at the dining table, namely fruits and vegetables and fresh herbs, spices. We're going to talk about all that because they're often forgotten. They're an afterthought at a meal. So we really want to showcase them and bring them to life, especially over the summer months. Fresh herbs are widely available over the summer months, and I love flavors that cilantro, dill, basil, parsley imparts to everyday foods and my everyday dishes. So I buy a lot of herbs over the summer, and all I do is wash them, and I would just trim the ends off. You can actually use the ends for soups and stocks. They're great. And I would use the cilantro either fresh in a salad or a pasta dish, or I would freeze it in an airtight container. So you can just put the cilantro in here, put a bunch of cilantro in here or in a Ziploc bag and put it in the freezer. What I also love to do is just dry the herbs, so you can lay the herbs flat to dry on paper towels on an oven rack, and you've got dried herbs that you can use in dry spice mixes, which is a great way to add flavor as well. Making homemade spice mixes is a great way to add flavor to your food, as well as add a great deal of nutrients, mainly antioxidants. It's also a less expensive way to create your favorite spice blends. So what I have here is actually a beautiful South Asian blend that's comprised of turmeric, ginger, nutmeg, cumin, some coriander, and I've got a bit of spicy chili powder in there as well. So if you blend all these together, you get a great flavor for, say, your chickpeas or lentils that you're making, and really bring out those Indian flavors in your food. If you love Italian food, using garlic powder, oregano, so this is dried oregano from fresh, some rosemary and thyme leaves, and combining these together makes for a great marinade for your barbecue meats, or you can use it in salads like I like to use. Finally, I've got this really fun and kind of spicier Mexican blend. So I've got cayenne pepper, crushed chili flakes, garlic powder, and oregano, and I love using this on my vegetable stir fries just to give that extra kick to the meal, especially if you have spice lovers at home.